Hello all, for those who don't know me, I'm Patrice Peris. I'm a singer, songwriter, and voice coach. I'm thrilled to be able to divulge into the world of the music industry and help the best that I can, because it is ever evolving. So today I want to dive into what is a PRO and why it is crucial for an artist to have it. So stick around so that I can help you break this down. Okay guys, so first and foremost, what is a PRO? A PRO stands for Performance Rights Organization. And basically, and I'm going to read this here because it's just such a beautiful description. A PRO, Performance Rights Organization, is a group that collects royalties on behalf of songwriters, composers, and publishers. They ensure that creators are paid fairly for their use of music. So how is this a little different? I just want to make this note here because sometimes people think, oh, a PRO, that's like my TuneCore, my DistroKid, some other places that do distribution. So really quick to kind of put where each one is. The distribution companies will take that song and they will release it out to iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, all of those places there. And they will do some collection, but ultimately what will be really, really helpful for you is to just have a PRO, which is going to go a little deeper and be able to collect from other sources as well, especially, you guys know I'm into sync, that world there, because it collects not only from the iTunes and those other places there, but it also collects for if your song is played on a TV show, if your song is played on something like YouTube or streamed there, if it is played in a store or, a store, any kind of live performance of your song, and that doesn't mean that it has to be like you at the restaurant singing live, just any live performance of your song, radio, in stores, on TV, ads, all of those different places, the PRO, Performance Right Organization, is going to collect. And the other really cool thing about that, so in the United States, you have ASCAP, you have BMI, you have CSEC. CSEC you need to be invited to, but really the main players there, as of now, is really like ASCAP and BMI. And if you're from another country, just do a quick Google and you can check out the ones there. But it will also, because for a good amount of songs, right, you may have experienced that you have multiple songwriters on there, right? It might not just be you as a solo artist. So when you register your song, that's what you're doing there, is you're registering your song. It will allow for you to put all the different songwriters and it will distribute out to them, which is really great because that way you don't need to worry about doing any of that end. It really, it acts as something that uses pretty cool technology to identify your song in order to then collect monies for it. So I'm a huge advocate that it is crucial that you get one. Or you sign up for one. It's not like you physically get an ASCAP or a BMI. You sign up for it. And this is really a key player too, that if you ever decided to get into the world of sync, and again, sync stands for synchronization, and that is a whole field of the music industry. If you want to learn more about it, be sure to check out other videos. I do break that down. I won't do it right now, but it basically is a great way for artists to generate some more income. It's a great way to get more exposure, but it is going to take your music and it's going to sync it up with different TV shows or different ads or films, yada, yada, yada on that. But if you ever wanted to get into that world, and I highly would recommend, then you most definitely have to have a PRO, because for this very reason, most agencies, be it a sync agent, a library, music supervisor, whatnot there, will not sign your song or use your song unless it has been signed up or registered, really not signed up. It has been registered there. So I hope this is super helpful. As always, if you like this, if this has been helpful for you, which I really, really hope it has, it helps me tremendously. If you guys comment if this helped you, if there was something new you learned, if there's something else you'd like to learn, whatever it may be, comment below. Or hit the like button and definitely hit the subscribe because I have content that is coming out continuously and I love to be able to help you more. So thanks so much for joining me. I hope this helped to demystify what a PRO is, and I hope you go and sign up today.